This is so cool.
This is looking like a legit restaurant. We have custom chopsticks.
We have now officially turned it into a Michelin star omakase restaurant. Y'all chefing it up. Why is this Japanese music going crazy right now? Happy birthday.
Oh gosh, why is the lighting so bad? Hi, so I'm not 21. I actually just turned 22 today on December 5th, Thursday. I'm filming this at 11:27 p.m. right now on December 4th. Yeah, girl, I'm 22. She is not 21, but this is a 21st birthday vlog because I filmed last year, edited the whole video, but then was so like self-conscious that I didn't post it. But I'm like, girl, if I don't post this, she's never gonna see the light of day and I'm just gonna forget about this. So I've always treated my YouTube kind of like a memory box where I look back years and years later, like, I mean, she's been here since 2010, you know? So I'm like, it would be a disgrace if I never posted this video. So here we are now. It's my 21st birthday. I was like, yes, let me throw a party, but not just a party. Let me convert my whole entire apartment into a restaurant where I'm gonna serve sushi, like omakase, and then turn it into a party later on with a proper DJ. I don't know what I was thinking because I would never do that now because I'm like, girl, that seems like a lot of work, but we pulled it off. The reason why I called it a Michelin star restaurant is because the omakase, like sushi people, they had a Michelin star. Like I literally got Michelin star sushi chefs. David is somebody that I know in New York City. He's been a good friend of mine for the past like 2-3 years now. He's helped me throw in pop-ups. He does everything. Boy is literally throwing a pop-up for a K-pop star tomorrow. A K-pop star in New York City tomorrow. I don't know if I can say too much, but tomorrow. He's the GOAT. So he threw my 21st birthday and helped me do that. And in order to do that, we did some renders. And these are what the renders looked like. And the theme was after hours, the weekend, red. It was giving mature. Then it was the time for my birthday to come. And then we started for real planning it. So shout out David. If y'all ever need anything in New York City, if you guys are ever wanting to do a pop-up, if you guys ever want to plan an event, anything, you hit this guy up. You hit him up. You hit him up. He can help you. If you ever need anything done or you have any questions on how to do any sort of event or get anything done or get anything made, he is your guy. Enjoy. I'm 22 now. Thank you so much for being here for so freaking long. Tell me why it is currently 5:33 and my invitations for my birthday party says 7 o'clock and I look like this. Hi, my name is Pham. I just turned 21 years old. I live in New York City and I am hosting a birthday party. Time is currently 1:42. It is the day before the party right now and I'm doing the seating chart right now. Did a little bit of a sketch on my iPad here. I want to make sure that at the table somebody knows somebody, right? I'm currently making the menus for the table and we're just gonna put the seal on here. Oh my gosh, this looks crazy right now. So we just replaced these bulbs here. Well, by we, I mean David and Rhea. They've both been here for the past couple hours just replacing all of these and setting it up on the iPad. But like basically I'll be able to change any of these lights to any color. And now imagine a fat giant moon underneath this, like a big fish tank illuminating. Time is currently about 11 o'clock. And there are like 10 people in this house right now getting everything set up. Everything is like happening all at once, I feel like. But the moon just got here, the moon sculpture. Oh my god. Guys, we're so extra.
Wow! I love it. This is so cool. I love it. Wow. Wow.
This is crazy, guys. Look at this. Okay, we got the DJ setup going on. Okay. The cake that we're getting, I've been following the girl for like a year now.
It fits.
Yeah. Okay. Now I'm moving all these chairs outside on my patio because we need to try to get as much space in this house as possible to like store furniture and stuff. Look at these. This is for the gift bags to say thank you to all the sponsors. And then I'm also donating to a women's shelter. And then this is for the menu tonight. Okay, these menus are looking gas. And then we're gonna put it in these little envelopes that I got off Amazon. Doesn't this look so good? Imagine opening this and seeing this. Oh my god. The party rentals just came in, so this is how the setup's looking. Ooh, so cute. It's kind of remind me of like bamboo, but it hits the black and sleek vibe. Rugs are going underneath the tables right now. We were able to fit 6 tables in here, so I'm gonna have to redo the seating arrangements a little bit, but this is looking like a legit restaurant. This is the final thing. This is how it's looking. I specifically arrange people next to people that I want them to talk to. I don't know if I told you guys yet, but the theme for this tonight is, for the dinner portion, I said black tie, but then for the party portion, where more people are coming, I said sleek and mysterious. So I'm really excited that everyone gets like a chance to like dress up in like a nice dress, some heels, you know what I mean? It's giving rectangle, you know. Thank you.
Of course, thank you guys.
David, how do you know these people?
Throwing a ton of these things.
Have you ever thrown a birthday, or is this your first like birthday?
Special birthday.
This is your first special birthday? Heath, what do you usually do? Like pop-ups and like
Game nights.
game nights? Oh, and then he also has like a studio space. So like I did my e-com shoot for Alchemy there as well. You guys want to do a pop-up in Lower East Side, like for your shop or anything? This guy does everything. I'm gonna leave his business down below, by the way, if you live in New York City.
Can you get me an iron so senora?
Yeah.
And it's like a
Oh, Zay's running to get it already. Zay, how do you know where it is? If you guys don't know, Zay has shot a lot of my pictures. He shot the Forbes one. He's such a talented photographer here in New York. He shoots like a lot of events and stuff. So if you guys are looking for an event photographer, hit him up. He's the best. He's the best. It makes you feel so comfortable. Oh my gosh, I just got this floral arrangement and I'm like, who gave me this? And it was Kosas. If you guys don't know, I'm like obsessed with Kosas. They're like one of my favorite makeup brands. And they just sent me the most beautiful bouquet of flowers. Thank you, Kosas. You guys are so sweet. I love me my flowers. I can't wait for you guys to see the floral arrangements tonight. Like I swear to God, this is like I'm planning a wedding, but without the man and without the wedding. I've always said I wanted to get married just for the wedding. Like look how fucking sick this moon is. Just know that the day that I have my wedding, guys, I'm gonna have to make a whole entire fucking wedding planning series. Look, they said a gift from Too Faced. They got me a card. I went to go meet them in their offices in LA and they were so freaking sweet. No way they customized the cake and everything too. Like, we have to have this on display and then have the other cake come out and people are like, hello. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. Hi. I'm in love. Come on in. Floral arrangements are here. Wow, the orchids are so pretty. Wait, so you guys started your business yesterday?
Yes. Well, we've been doing it for a little bit, but we launched our website.
Yeah, I love this. The tables are almost set. It's looking good. We're gonna have the name card so then when people take a picture, it's like, ooh, my Pham's 21st. We have custom chopsticks. It looks so cute. And then in here is the menu for the night and the speech. Little blue accent. It's the vibe. These are so gorgeous. I'm super excited. This is turning out so good. They're putting up this curtain. Since we're gonna have staff and a lot of people here, we want them to have like room without anybody like seeing them. Mirror vinyl going up here, full arrangement in here. I'm gonna make sure it smells nice and good. I'm going to grab incense right now. We're doing the scent for the house, but something that I've been told whenever somebody comes to my house is that my house smells really good, and it's because of incense. I'm telling you, burning incense and sage every day, you're the best. I'm gonna put this in the bathroom. The time is ticking down. I'm getting so excited. We're currently doing the goodie bags, but this has like been my favorite part this whole time because I feel like Santa and like I'm imagining being somebody that comes to this party and going home with like a bag that's full. Like, and all these products are like my favorite products. Like we have my favorite EOS lotion in here, the Estee Lauder Nutritious Cleanser, and the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. This is so fun. I love how every time we do something, it's new, like it's always improved the next time we do it by far, you know?
Yeah.
time is it, David? 3:20. We have 3.5 hours before people get here.
Almost there.
Damn, I need like 2 hours to get ready. But everything's turning out so beautiful. I'm very excited. Hair is greasy, makeup's not done, nails are looking so crusty. And today's supposed to be like my big day, you know what I mean? But I think I've been worried about everyone else's big day today that I haven't been taking care of myself. And by taking care of everyone else, I mean I've been setting up for this party. But I've been out here making everyone's gift bags and then also making your guys' giveaway bags. And I forgot to check the time and now it's 5:33 and I am not ready. And people are about to show up in less than an hour and a half. And I don't know how I'm gonna do my hair, makeup, and nails and find an outfit in an hour and a half. But I wanna do a full-on shower, like shave the legs and everything like that. But I'm like low-key, like, do I have time? But you know what, we're gonna find the time, okay? Let me shower. All right, time to strip. So chefs are not here yet, and time is currently 5:48. They were supposed to be here at 4. The dinner's in an hour, and like they're not here yet.
Hello. How's everyone doing today?
Guys, all my closest friends, like all my best friends are here right now. That was just Anila. You guys know she's been my best friend for like 14 years now. I think people are gonna show up here within the next 10 minutes or so. Okay guys, everyone is out there right now. Sorry, this quality's ass. Everyone's out there right now.
Everyone dressed up.
Everyone dressed up?
They dressed, but they like outdid themselves.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Everyone looks so good. Not one person is like, they're all talking, no one's on their phone. They're all enjoying their time. It looks like you really put together a bunch of like 20-something-year-olds and had them make them look like that, like the Met Gala or something.
No way.
Oh my god. It's like crazy.
I'm so excited, okay. Yeah, I like haven't processed what's gonna go on tonight, but I'm very excited. I hope everything goes well. We got these period earrings. Look at this, the blouse. You can flip it to yourself now. Everything was a blur. What do I look like? Oh, like she's kind of cute though. Technical difficulties too. The Wi-Fi wasn't working for the past 2 days, so that would have mean no music. And like when people first got here, there was no music playing, and I was like, but we're fine now though, right? I can like legally drink in my videos. Like I don't have to be like, no. I forgot, guys, like I'm turning 21, like I forgot. Because you know what, in Canada, you can legally drink at 18. So it's like, I'm past that. But then, you know, I live in America now. So I'm like, everyone's like, oh my god, 21.
Hay una fiesta en mi casa. Vengan. Será muy divertido.
Are we getting too close? You're leaving things in my head. I'll be honest, you scare me. My life's supposed to be a party. Do you ever think about me? Cause we talk that talk, yeah, we talk all night. And the more I know you, the more I like you. Can you stick with me, maybe just for life? And say what's on your mind, my baby.
Talk to me in French, talk to me in Spanish, talk to me in your own made-up language. Doesn't matter if I understand it. Talk right in my ear, tell me your secrets and fears. Once you talk to me, I'll talk to you and say, we go back to my place.
Okay, here's the plan. I wanna fly you out to Amsterdam. I gotta be right to the fuck you in. Cause you and me, we got flash it to Charlie.
Why is this Japanese music going crazy right now?
Alright, well, y'all know what time it is. It's omakase time! If you don't know what omakase is, you're in for a treat. Okay, well, if everyone can please go find their seats, you know, sit down, do a little chitter-chatter, and we'll get started very soon. Thank you all so much for coming!
We have now officially turned it into a Michelin star omakase restaurant. Y'all stepping it up!
We go back to my place.
You're talking about me.
No, don't pretend that you aren't. We're still obsessed like we just met. And when you fuck me, it's crazy. You're thinking about me. Cause we talk that talk and we talk all night. And the more I know you, the more I like you. Can you stick with me, maybe just for life? And say what's on your mind, my baby. Talk to me in French, talk to me in Spanish, talk to me.
Okay guys, I am currently in my room and it's currently almost 10 p.m. People are almost gonna come to party, but tonight was so good. Like, the dinner was amazing. I mean, it flew by. I don't know where I put my script. I had a whole script plan. Speech, that's what it's called, a speech plan. Speechy. Come out, wherever you are. Time is currently, I don't know. It's a time though. I did an outfit change. This is the outfit. The boobs are moving, so the hair is gonna be in front. But I think it's very cute. Let me show you. What do you think? Is it giving I am the gift? Because that's what I wanted to give. It's going so well. I feel like all the people that I love are here. To think that I could do this all because of the sponsors of this party is insane. None of this would be possible without you guys. And I know I'm a little drunk. This is my first time ever being on here drunk because it's my 21st birthday, y'all. But I'm having a really good time. I'll come back later. I'm gonna change because my boobies are falling out. Guys, we're turning to Michelin Club. Michelin Star Restaurant Club.
The world is my oyster, baby, come touch the pearl. The world is my oyster, and I'm the only girl. I'm dancing in my
But I realized I printed it out in ant size, so I couldn't read it. So I'm just gonna
You got it, girl.
Okay, well, I just want to say thank you to everyone so much for coming out tonight. Whether you're a really close friend or someone that just inspires me, I want to say thank you all so much for coming out, because I truly believe that the people around you is what makes you who you are, and the energy around you is contagious. So I want to say thank you all so much for being here tonight. Whether or not you know me super well or not, I really appreciate you, because you never know. You may inspire me a lot and you don't even know it yet. So I want to thank you all so much for coming out here tonight. And I hope you all have such a good time. I really appreciate it. And I also wanted to give back to, where is it? Oh, so when I was younger, I was a little out there. I was a little crazy, and I did not know where I was going in life. So I wanted to give back for my 21st birthday to be able to host everybody in a New York City. Woo! Supported me the most, which was the women's shelter. So I wanted to donate $10,000 to them tonight, and everybody's gift bag, there's a QR code. The best gift tonight would be to donate to them, because they are the reason why where I am today. So thank you guys so much for coming.